Hi there, Jeremy here. I thought I'd give you an update and show you our two trading bots. So here's the first one. I'm just going to walk you through to show you what you'll be able to do. This is the dashboard, and as you can see, there's a trading chart in the middle here. You can change that from this drop down menu to the currency that suits you, and you've got information here to tell you whether the bot is working or not. Okay, and as you can see, I've got it in simulation mode at the moment. The bot will run for 12 hours. I can click this button to take it up to 24 hours. So let me just take you through the menu items. So on the left here, we've got the current trade. Now I've already started the bot, and as you can see here, it's done the initial buy when it entered the market. And so here, so at the moment, it's saying that if I was to sell now, I've made a loss of $1.90 there. As you can see here, the price would need to increase by $90 for me to make a profit, and it's increased here by $41.45. And this will keep changing. It's dynamic. You can now see it's gone up to $53.70 of the required $90.69. Okay, so that's the actual current trade. So as you look at this screen, it will say working, and this will keep changing every 30 seconds while the bot looks at what's going on. And if we come to the top of the screen, I've only got one trade in here, but if you was to click the play button, it would show you how the trades were played out. And then on this side here, you've actually got the logs of what's going on in real time. Okay, so then on the left hand side, we've got the trade history. So these are previous trades. Then we come down to the trading account. And in this section is where you would put your API details from your exchange. It's in simulation mode at the moment, but there'll be a drop-down menu here, so you can choose the platform that you want to connect to. You'll be able to choose the currency of what you want, and you put your API keys in at the bottom. These numbers are just populated with ones that the simulator creates, because it needs to have some numbers for it to work. And then we come down to the bot strategy. So the time that the bot runs, you can do anything from an hour to 24 hours. You choose, depending on the package that you've got, you will choose the amount of trading you want to do. So if you had a $10 package, you could write 300 in there or 100, and it would trade with that amount of money. And then there's a few more things that, as you go down the screen, I'm not going to go into any great detail, but there will be videos made on it. Of the strategy that the bot will use for you. You can choose what you want the bot to use. So if I come back to the top, and then you've got the sign out button and your profile. So go back to the dashboard. I can sell and finish at any time. Okay, I can stop the bot. Obviously, if I've got an outstanding trade, I could lose money, but I can stop and finish the bot at any time I want. So let's have a look at the other bot. So here's the other bot. At the top, it tells you the bot is trading. It tells you the current price of Bitcoin right now. You could stop the trading. Then you've got this graph that's here. And then you'll see on here, this is currently held 2 lots. So that means that it's made some buys. And if I was to sell these now, I can stop and sell them at any time. It's telling me because this is red, I'm going to make a loss. So in this case, I'd make a loss of £1.12p. So I wouldn't really want to sell, but if I wanted to cash out and just get out, I could. This one will show that I'll make a loss of 26 pence if I sell now. As you can see, this was the price that I paid for the Bitcoin, and this is the price I needed to go up to so I can sell to make a profit. And this particular robot split my lots up. I traded with 300, and it split them up into $64.40 or £64.40. And if I come down this side here, it gives me the actual trade logs and how much I've made from each trade, So this one made £1.29, £1.34, £1.15. And as you see, it's got a running balance that runs from 0 up to the current time there. And if we look at how many days this is, so we got the 8th of February, that's 1 day. 9th of February, that's 2 days. 10th of February, 3. Didn't trade on the 11th. 12th of February. Then we've got the 13th of February, which is 5 days. Now, the 14th is not finished. So if I take it up to that point there, which is in 5 days it's made £27.95. So let me just get a calculator. So if I take the £27.95 and divide that by the 6 days, gives me a daily return of £4.65 a day, times that by 30. So that's £139 a month that it's making, because mine's set for English currency. So this particular account, I'm trading with the maximum trade, which is £300, and this account would cost me to the equivalent of £10 a month. So as you can see, there's lots of profit in there for me in just the first 6 days. I just want to put the disclaimer out there that you're trading, and obviously you can lose as well as gain. Okay, but at the moment this account seems to be making a gain, and I'm on target to make the £139.75p for the month, and that's going to cost me the equivalent of £10 for a license fee. So I just wanted to run those two bots and show you what's doing. We're getting very close to the pre-launch, if you like, where people are going to get access to these bots, and I shall be letting you know when that launch will be. And I just wanted to keep you up to date to show you how the bots are working. So you're going to get access to two bots, two different, as you can see, two different programmers working on them, and they have completely different looks and feels. This one here gives you a lot more technical data. This one here is a very basic view that just, you come in, switch it on, and let the bot do the rest. The previous one, this one here, you can actually adjust the strategies and how you want the bot to work. So this would be a bot that's for a more advanced person that as they start to learn how the bots work, they can manipulate it how they feel is best to get the the maximized profit. If you'd like to be on the early bird list for when this bot goes live, then all you need to do is below the video you'll find there's a link for Telegram. That will take you over to our chat. At the moment we have 279 members, and that's growing daily. Come and join us and keep up to date with everything that's going on with our trading bots. And I'll see you in the next video, and hopefully see you inside the chat. Take care now. Bye.